In this picture, I have EHP, which is right there. I have EHR, which is right there. And I have RPH, which is right there. So that's what I have. It is a trapezoid. Trapezoids always have a pair of parallel sides, and that's really all we kind of start out with. It has to be the bases. So the parallel sides would be there and there. All right. And hopefully you remember that usually what I do with this is I kind of draw the Z in there if I think I have alternate interior angles, because that'll help me find them. All right. So the alternate interior angles are going to be the yellow and the blue. So the yellow and the blue are equal. Now let's put that down in words here. So there's one pair of parallel sides. And in this picture, that gives me alternate interior angles. So alternate interior angles are congruent. Remember, there's other kinds of angles. It's just that alternate interior are the most common ones a lot of times. And that means that yellow equals blue. Yeah, so let's set that up. So 2x plus 3 equals 4x minus 23. And then I will solve that. I get 13. Okay, now what do I do with that 13? If you look at this, PHR is actually that angle right there in orange. Now this creates a whole nother problem because I don't have any algebra for that, and that PHR is not the same as anything else in that picture. But hopefully what I can notice is that the yellow angle and the orange angle, if I put them together, I'd get the green angle. All right, so the yellow angle and the orange angle together is going to give me the green angle. Now that's going back to a while ago as to why that's true. But what I'm just going to write down is yellow plus orange equals green. Now that's enough of an explanation really for anybody that's looking at this if I'm taking an assessment or something, because this is an in-depth problem. This reason was called sum of the parts equals the whole. But if you did the other part with all the alternate interior and stuff, I would never take off if you didn't have that in what you were doing. So what I'm going to do now is figure out the green and the yellow angles and see what I've got going on. So it's 7x plus 14. So 7 times 13 plus 14, that's 91 plus 14 is 105. And then the yellow angle is 2x plus 3. So 2 times 13 plus 3 is 26, 29. And if I have the yellow one and the green one, and I want to find the orange one, I'm going to subtract them. So subtract, and I'm going to get 76. All right, so that should come up to be 76.